Friends, welcome my channel MP Educate. I am Meeta Parekh. Let us start most important diagram based question of chapter number 8. Friends, as you know, this is most important diagram based question as is already came in the paper of 2020. It is about reactivity series of the metal. What is reactivity series? The arrangement of the metal in the increasing or the decreasing order of the reactivity is called the reactivity series. Here, metals are arranged according to the decreasing order of their reactivity. Here, the reactivity series is divided into the three groups. Highly reactive metal, these are the highly reactive metal. Moderately reactive metal, and the less reactive metals. Let us move to our questions. Name the two metals which react with the acid. Here are the metals which react with the acid. So from this metal you can write down any two like calcium and zinc. Name the two moderately reactive metals. Here are the metals which are the moderately reactive metal. So you can write down any two like aluminum and iron. Name the most highly reactive metal and name the least reactive metal. Here on the topmost of the series, the metal is most highly reactive metal, that is potassium. And at the bottom of the series, the least reactive metal, that is gold. Let us move to our next diagram based question. Here, from diagram only, we can find out that it is the electrolytic reduction of the aluminium. In this method, electrolysis of molten mixture of the aluminium is done in a steel tank. Here in the tank, it has a graphite lining on the inner side. This lining does as the work of the cathode, and a set of graphite rods are dipped in a molten electrolytes which work as an anode. Now our question. What is the function of cryolite and the feldspar in this process? As we know that the melting point of the molten aluminium is greater than 2000 degree Celsius. So here cryolite and the feldspar are added in the mixture to lower its melting point up to the 1000 degree Celsius. Now, why do you think molten aluminium get collected at the bottom of the tank? Here, the aluminum is deposited on the cathode on passing electric current. Molten aluminum being heavier than the electrolytes, so it is collected at the bottom of the tank and it is taken out from here time to time. Now, write the anode as well as cathode reaction. We know that at anode, oxygen is liberated by the process of the oxidation. The reaction is 2 oxygen minus 2 equal to O2 plus 4 electron. And at cathode, aluminium is liberated or the aluminium is deposited by the reduction process. So, Al plus 3 electron gives aluminium. Now, why the anode needs to be replaced time to time during the electrolysis of the aluminium? The liberated oxygen react with the anode and it form the carbon dioxide. Here, the liberated anode react with the the liberated oxygen react with the carbon anode and it form the carbon dioxide gas. The anode have to be changed from time to time as they get oxidized during the electrolysis of the aluminium. Friends, have you noticed that the sub-question of diagram-based question are too simple to give answer? Friends, if you have not seen my first slide or first video of chapter number 1, please go and see that video. In that video, with the help of the paper 2020, I have discussed that out of 40 marks questions, 20 marks questions are diagram based and 10 marks questions are objective. So, if the students will do the diagram based question thoroughly, then definitely students will get 40 out of 40 marks. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.